crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm coming on with my design team project for the Paper Be Creative. I have used the kit Winnie the Pooh. I will have the link down in the description box where you can pick this kit up. I've created a ring-bound mini album baby book using fabric, and I painted some of the fabric with some Tim Holtz mica spray stains and did a little tulle bow closure here. I made a book plate with the baby's name. On the inside, I did some cover pages with some cardstock and part of the kit from the Paper Be Creative and some little buttons, and added some lace trim. Again, this is a ring-bound journal, so pages can be moved around however they would like. Created another little page here that talks about the story and gives the baby's full name, so I've got that covered up. This is an image I created in Canva, so this is not part of the kit. I added some ribbon trim here to the edge. This image is part of the kit that I fussy cut out. Throughout this book, I did create some images in Canva that go along with baby milestones for a baby book, and again, those are not available in the Paper Be Creative's kit. They are something I personally created for this book. This is background paper that is in the kit. I did some decorative stitching around the edges. This is another one of the images I created. And I also found a Winnie the Pooh little golden book and wanted to include those pages in the book, and I have done it to where you can read the complete story. This is a page in the kit, and this is a page I personally created. Another page from the kit. More images that I created to go along with when they found out what gender the baby was going to be, where they can do some notes on the pregnancy. And then I took images from the Paper Be's kit and added some embellishments. Background paper from the kit. Another page from the kit. Two images that I put on background paper from the kit, but I did create these. Made a little area they could put some photos of the baby's handprints and feet prints. Used a little fussy cut from the kit. Some more embellishments for the kit here. Another embellishment from the kit and more background paper from the kit. This is a fussy cut from the kit. More embellishments from the kit and more background paper. Another fussy cut. These images from this Winnie the Pooh kit have a very vintage nostalgia look to them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I love the watercolor background here. Created a little embellishment cluster there. Here I added some rickrack and some tags from the kit. Another image from the kit. Took a tag here, did some paper tearing and a little embellishment there. Another fussy cut from the kit, and I just backed it with some ribbon. More images from the kit and added some lace trim. A tag from the kit and another little image. This was a pocket that was in the kit, and I decided to do it just kind of as a torn paper corner here to be the backing for the owl. And added some rickrack to kind of look like a branch. Some more paper from the kit, another fussy cut. Another cluster here, and I added some little nail art butterflies here, just as a little embellishment. More fussy cut clusters there. Another image from the kit, more clusters. These are 2 pages I again created, and since the baby's name is Winnie and her mother loves Disney, I joked with her that the baby's first Halloween we would have to dress her up as Winifred Sanderson from the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. So I put a little Winnie there in the corner. And then the last page of the little golden book ends the story, and the backing paper here was part of the Paper Bee kit. Don't forget, I am doing a giveaway here on the channel. You've got 1 more week until March 31st to enter into the giveaway. I will be doing physical prize giveaways available to only people in the United States due to the high shipping cost. I do apologize for that. But there will also be digital prizes that will be available to anyone that enters the giveaway. I will have all the information down in the description box of how to enter the giveaway. It will be held on April 1st. And I will link the giveaway intro video at the end of this video. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I would love it if you consider liking this video. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.